The guard plate is attached to your chainsaw's brake cover assembly. The plate covers the plastic housing in the area where the cutting chain passes. It prevents a loose cutting chain from cutting into the plastic cover. If the saw is often run with a loose chain, the plate will eventually wear through. Replacing the guard plate is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the brake cover from the saw. The cover is secured with 2 nuts. I'll loosen the nuts and also loosen the chain tension. Then I'll remove the nuts and the brake cover. I'll go ahead and remove the bar and chain as well, just to get them out of the way. With the cover removed, I have access to the guard plate. It's secured with 2 screws, which I'll remove. Now I can install the new guard plate. I'll place it onto the cover, aligning it with the chain adjuster and the 2 holes for the screws, and then I'll resecure it with the screws. I'll finish up by reinstalling the bar and chain. And that's how easy it is to replace the guard plate on your chainsaw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.